The life and times of the late Chief Victor Chukwuka Obi has been described as a remarkable journey of love, leadership and service. This came to the fore during the burial rites of the late Chief Victor at his country home, Omuata Village, Obosi, in the Demle North local government area of Anambra State. That song sets the tone for the burial service of a man many described as a devout Christian who also held a profound respect for the traditions and customs of his people, Chief Victor Chukwuka Obi, the Ogbuechi Nwakibia of Obosi, who was born on June 8, 1954, into a family with deep-rooted religious and cultural heritage characterized by values of honor, integrity, and strong sense of community stewardship. The officiating priest used the occasion to eulogize the virtues of the deceased, urging his survivors to sustain and surpass their late father's legacy of good work, as vanity upon vanity, the priest says, is vanity.
My advice is that they will take courage. They will believe God. It's only God that can wipe away their tears and strengthen them.
May the Lord grant you his peace. That peace the world cannot give, the world cannot take away from you.
Guys, again, come on, I'm also
Having fulfilled all the Christian burial rites, the body was interred.
Our father was not just a father to us, he was a father to everybody. Everything, if there's any issue, sharp we're calling him and he's solving it. He was involved in every daily activity of our life. I miss him so much. Just I wish I could hear him just call out "Ned, Daddy." He's always happy. He's always encouraging us with his smile. Even when you come with him with problems, he will smile and encourage you and advise you with smile on his face. Never in my life met someone more kind, more giving, more cheerful. No matter what's going on.
A great man, and I'll miss him so much.
He was just my shield, he was just my guide, he was a mentor, he was a great man.
The family compound was a beehive as relatives, friends and well-wishers came out in their numbers to pay last respect and condolence visits. Chief Victor Chukwuka Obi, who passed away on March 21, 2024, will be greatly missed by family and friends as his legacy of honor, service and philanthropy to them remains a beacon for all who knew him.
I'm going to mix him a lot because he was more or less my father.
He was very kind, he was very good.
Ogbuechi is our patron, our father.
Chief Obi was a revered member of the Nzenozo Society and an esteemed Ogbuechi title holder in Obosi. From Obosi, Chinyere Fesi Okoye, NTA News.